These bars that you see here, moving up and down, shows us how traders are positioning on Ethereum. Green bars indicate traders going long, expecting Ethereum to move higher, and red bars means they are going short in anticipation of downside. Now take a look at this bar right here, showing us what traders are doing today. This is the most extreme short positioning we've seen since 2022. In other words, a record number of traders are now betting that Ethereum's price is about to significantly decline from here. The last time we saw something similar was in early 2025. If we look at Ethereum, we see that soon after Ethereum declined by 60% as Trump's tariff announcement created a lot of market uncertainty. So in hindsight, those shorts were actually very well timed. If we were to see a similar outcome today, it would send Ethereum all the way back down to around $1,600, generating massive profits for these record short positions. And this isn't the only similarity we're seeing today. This line here shows the supply of Ethereum held by long-term holders. These are investors who have held their tokens for over a year, showing a high degree of conviction in one of the most volatile assets. Over the past few weeks, this group has been selling aggressively, taking their holdings down to less than 40% of Ethereum's total supply. We also saw this type of heavy selling in early 2025, just before Ethereum saw a 60% decline. So today, similar warning signs are flashing for Ethereum that preceded the last big decline. But if we zoom in a little and replace the long-term holder line with this one showing the balance by big Ethereum players, the picture completely changes. These are investors holding between 10,000 and 100,000 tokens, equivalent to roughly $40 million to $400 million worth of Ethereum at today's price. Their total holdings have been going parabolic, reaching a record high of 22 million tokens. What's even more significant is that around 4 million of those tokens, or 20% of their total holdings, were accumulated in just the past 2 months. So on one hand, we're seeing record short positions with long-term holders selling at a fast pace. But at the same time, big Ethereum players are accumulating aggressively. This means two sides of the market are making completely opposite bets today. Our job as traders is to evaluate which side holds the stronger hand to position ourselves on the right side of the market. At Bravo's research, that's exactly what we focus on, identifying high probability trade setups based on macro, fundamentals, and technicals.